Hello, this is the Jamstack Incubation Engineering update. I'm Yanis, thank you for tuning in. It's been a while since the last update and I have a few very interesting things to note. One, I have added the developer documentation on the pipeline wizard to the GitLab docs. You can now go to the docs, click GitLab development, CI/CD development and select pipeline wizard to see the full documentation. I hope this gives folks the opportunity to use the pipeline wizard in their tasks and to understand the current capabilities. Please ping me if you feel like there's anything missing from the docs or if something's not totally clear. Now for the second update. My own use of the wizard in the GitLab Pages onboarding process is currently ongoing. I've just been picking up loose ends that I left before going on my CEO shadow. These are the things I'm working on. This MR introduces a checklist widget to the wizard. And once that's completed, I'm merging this one. This is the MR that uses the wizard itself. So there's another thing that happened in the meantime that I have spent a lot of time investigating. Cloudflare announced D1, an SQLite database for the edge. I'm very, very excited about that announcement. It allows us to deploy simple databases on the edge as close to the client as you can get. Why is this cool? Most of the recent innovation in the database space has been around how to scale huge databases and have them be always consistent. But there's been little new stuff for when you just need a tiny database, but want that as performant as possible. I mean, you can deploy a small MySQL instance somewhere, but depending on where the API sits in relation to that, you're introducing a latency. DB sharding or replication might resolve that, but that's a ton of work if you just want to, say, store a few comments or don't have a ton of records. So D1 is an amazing solution to that. It's SQLite on an edge worker that basically syncs to object storage. So you have that eventual consistency model where data might not be immediately reflected in other database instances. But what you gain in return is a super lightweight SQL database that lives extremely close to the client. It's just perfect for those front-end heavy use cases. I think this is a 1 in a million evolution with a significance similar to Remix. Actually, I expect D1 to play extremely well with Remix. So I'll now drop everything just to investigate that new feature. Now, this was it for this week's update. I hope to see you again next time. Until then, bye.